This is Motorola's cheapest 5G phone, the Moto G50. In appearance, it still continues the family-style design. The rear rectangular triple-camera lens module is located at the top left of the phone, and the 48-megapixel main camera is a rose-like presence at the same price. The fingerprint recognition sensor is concentrated in the position of the logo. In addition, it also retains a more advanced 3.5mm headphone jack, credit card slot, supports dual card, 5G and extended SD card, and can be expanded up to ETB. Usually go out to travel and take pictures. This memory is enough to last for a year and a half. The front of the Moto base, for 5 years, adopts a more retro water drop screen design, 6.5-inch 720p LCD screen, and the sound swiping rate is 90 Hz. Daily look and feel. Except for the feeling that the chin gray is slightly wider, it is basically no problem to use. Swipe Douyin and reply to WeChat, there is no problem. In terms of performance, the Moto G50 uses a Smile 480 processor that locates the endpoint, and the support process of Banami supports the new 5G frequency band and Wi-Fi 5. The capacity of the Moto G50 mobile phone battery is quite awesome, reaching 5,000 mAh. With fast charging of up to 15 watts, there is no big problem with the last 2 or 3 days. In fact, I find some small details in my mobile phone quite interesting, such as waving the mobile phone to quickly turn on the flashlight, such as waving the wrist to quickly turn on the camera. For example, there is just a click away button on the side of the mobile phone, which can quickly open the health code, WeChat, Alipay, scan payment, and other functions. Then these small functions are still very practical for the elders at home. Overall, Moto G50 is a model prepared for the elders at home. There are dual card 5G, extended SD cards, such as the high-brush joint venture in Kyushu, 50 million exchanges, a large battery for changing time, a 48-megapixel camera capability, and a more affordable price. Of course, the most important thing is the endorsement of the elders for the Motorola brand. Ji Wulin, who bought a motorcycle, came to give it to the elders. What do you think?